Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Clash of Clans account. It's important to understand that your game progress is tied to your Google Play or Apple Game Center account, not just the app itself. Simply deleting and reinstalling the game won't give you a fresh start. To truly reset, you'll need to create a brand new Google Play or Apple ID. This process ensures a completely new game profile, allowing you to experience the game from the very beginning. For Android users, the first step is to create a new Google account. Head into your device's settings, find the Account section, and then select Add Account, choosing Google. Follow the straightforward prompts to set up your new account. After successfully creating it, open Clash of Clans. The game should then prompt you to connect to a Google Play account. Select your newly created account to begin your fresh game. If you're on an iOS device, you'll need a new Apple ID. First, log out of your current Apple ID in the App Store and iTunes Store settings. Then, create a brand new Apple ID, either through Apple's website or directly on your device. It's crucial to link this new Apple ID to a new Game Center profile. Once that's done, launch Clash of Clans. The game will then allow you to connect to your new Game Center account, giving you a completely fresh start. It's vital to remember that game progress cannot be transferred between different Google Play or Apple ID accounts. If you wish to switch between your old and new accounts, you'll need to log out and then log back in each time. Supercell ID provides a convenient way to manage multiple Clash of Clans accounts more easily. Also, keep in mind that creating new Google or Apple accounts will likely require new, unique email addresses for each one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.